Back once again. It's time now for our Nebula Beard and Arsenault Legal Difference segment. Ted Roberts joins us now. We're going to talk a little bit more about workers' comp. We focused on that a few weeks ago. Ted's back to talk a little more about it. So welcome.
Thank you.
Ted.
Thank you for having me back. I appreciate it.
No problem. Big Memorial Day weekend plans?
Probably not really.
Gonna hop in an RV and see.
Maybe put on a red nose. I won't bring my dog though. That was kind of crazy.
That's a crazy story. All right, moving on. Workers' comp. What are some of the pitfalls in workers' comp claims that we have to worry about?
Well, we might be here as long as the 7-hour LSU game if I got into all those.
Last night.
But I guess some of the main ones are you have to look out for things that the insurance company is going to try to do.
Yeah.
Of course, they're an insurance company, and they'll follow you. You know, they'll have surveillance on you while you're under workers' comp. Absolutely, yeah. Absolutely, because they want to make sure you're not doing things that your doctor told you not to do.
Not supposed to be doing.
And people will try things just because they get bored and they want to try to do things that they're not supposed to do, and they get caught. And then they get into a fraud situation with workers' comp, which it's really not good.
Yeah, I was going to say that would be no fun at all.
No, not at all. And another instance is with you're entitled to mileage out of workers' comp back and forth to the doctor and to the pharmacy. And people will turn that mileage in, and they'll go with the mileage that they're used to, and not with the MapQuest or GPS, which they have to. And if workers' comp catches you kind of fudging on it, and you know it's 30 miles and you're putting 35, that brings into a fraud issue too, and could really jeopardize your claim.
So you got to be really careful, watch your P's and Q's, so to speak.
Absolutely, and just do what your doctor says, and you know, be honest. Yeah, you know, and it's easy to say, but
but that's the bottom line. Yeah, just
absolutely,
to be honest and accurate about it.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. What should people watch out for when they're receiving workers'
again,
comp?
the surveillance.
Pay attention to, that's obvious.
There's also nurse case managers that will come, and they're hired by the insurance company, but they'll come to your doctor's appointments. And some of them will actually try to talk the doctor into, you know, letting you back to work or saying that everything's okay. And I generally tell all of my clients that you don't have to have them in there. You know, you have a right of privacy to be examined on your own, and they can have a conference with the doctor later on if they want, but and people don't know that. So I try to talk them into, you know, I'll talk directly to the nurse case manager and tell them, you know, leave them their privacy.
That's one reason why you know, in a workers' comp case, you need an attorney, huh?
Well, absolutely, because we can talk you, help you through the process. Because if you haven't been through it, they're the pitfalls you got to worry about. And what we try to do is get everything you're entitled to, and keep you, you know, try to get you back to work. It is our main goal.
That's
it really is
the bottom line there.
Absolutely.
Going back to work. What do you charge?
Well, we're on a contingency fee basis, meaning that hopefully at the end, when you're able to go back to work, if we get something for you, then we charge a fee. Now workers' comp fees are statutorily mandated at only 20%, so it's kind of a bargain as far as the fees go. But if we're not able to get you anything, we're not charging you anything. And some workers' comp attorneys will take money out of your weekly check to charge you that way, but it's so hard to survive on workers' comp that we just don't do that.
Yeah, you don't even,
It really is, and we just try to get you through the process and get you out, and you know, if we're able to get a fee, great. If not, it's okay. We've gotten you back to work.
Get you back to work. It's kind of the bottom line.
Absolutely.
Best way to get in touch with you, Ted, at NBA?
Well, you can call me at 1-800. The 1-800 number is on the screen. Well, actually, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, the 561.
561-2500. And 24 hours a day.
Yeah, just come by for a visit, huh?
Absolutely.
Consultation.
Absolutely.
Ted, thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Good,
appreciate it.
Have a great Memorial Day weekend, by the way.
I will. You too.
And we'll tell you all about Coffee with a Cop when we come back.